What is going on, guys? I am nervous, but also feeling pretty good. Black GT500 just got it cleaned up, did a bunch of things to it over the past few weeks, just taking my time and getting it ready. We filled up the fuel cell, it's 5 gallons, maybe a little bit more. We got 15 gallons with us, so we can fill it up as we go. I need to get some miles on this Vengeance Stage 3 clutch before we get on the dyno and make somewhere around 1,000 horsepower. So we're gonna go take it out to a race meet. We're obviously not racing it. It's only on 4 pounds on the gate, and I'm also staying out of boost, but I did some tuning with the Holly earlier. It also goes big bang, bang, bang flames. I haven't filled it yet from the outside, but it is very loud. So I'll have to get a video of that, hopefully not at the meet, but yeah, we'll have to get a video because it's pretty fucking rowdy. If you're new here, this is my single turbo 2007 GT500 Coyote Swap, the T56 Magnum. This thing is fully built, front to rear. We are not bringing the front bumper tonight, and that is because the heat ring, the trim ring for the bumper is not done yet. So I don't want to risk melting the bumper, and also the matching hood, the matte black hood, is not on here yet. We do have a spare gloss black hood, but this car was original. This is paint, matte black paint. It was a white and blue stripe GT500, and this thing's been converted full on race car. I will be putting the dash back in once we kind of finalize everything, but this is the closest it's been to street car trim. We even got a cup holder. So yeah, it's a Holly Terminator X. We got the Terminator X little screen, the big screen there. We got all the data we need, hooks up to the laptop. So let's go ahead and, well, you think she's in neutral yet? Fuel pump, second fuel pump. She fires right up. It runs so good. Got the Weld front runners on it because the other ones have bad tires, so we need new tires. This thing's so nasty, so insane. Not sure if you heard me, but the tires were bad on the Ford Stars, so I need to get new bias plies. That's why the Ford Stars are there. My welds off my GT500, the fronts are on that car, so convenient that I have cars that share the same stuff. We're gonna hop in here, head over, pick up Radon, and head out to the meet. It's pretty far, so this is gonna be the furthest I've driven this thing. Picking up Radon. I didn't film it, but
I filmed it, and wow.
I'll put it in the IG clip.
What the hell? Dude, I heard that thing down the freaking street. Do me one more, fuck it. That two-step is
it's gnarly.
You had everyone in the restaurant and everything popping out, dude. That thing was
yeah.
Wow.
See, you can set up an advanced table, and as soon as it builds a little bit of boosties, and you just pull all the timing out and go pow 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 pow.
Dude, the flame. You had me jumping. I stopped mid-video. You had me going like this.
Oh yeah.
Covering up for the flame. I thought I was gonna get burnt. Holy crap.
Oh man.
Just came a long way.
Yeah, dude. That's the farthest I've driven, and it was smooth.
Dude,
it's a little cold.
I remember when this thing was dusted up next to my car.
Oh yeah.
And then now it's fully freaking going, dude. Let's go.
Yeah, we got the hood on it. I didn't put the front bumper on it because I don't want it to melt.
I was gonna say you gotta do some wrapping around that.
Yep.
I have some extra exhaust.
Well, it's mostly the plastic on the bumper. Everything else is fine.
Okay. I'm gonna do on mine. I'm gonna do that little I don't know what it's called, that little round thing.
Yeah.
Around the bumper.
Yeah, the bumper trim. I'm using something of yours.
Huh?
Those look familiar?
Oh, nice. I like that.
Yeah, we'll have to fill it up before we go.
You need this thing or no?
I mean, I haven't been using it, but
I have it in the restaurant. I can grab it.
Oh, it might be a good idea.
All right, let me go grab that.
You ready? This is fucking race car shit, bro. Oh, and here we got low beams. We got high beams. See? Street car, baby.
Street car, man.
Yeah, dude. All right, let's do the thing. We just filled up the fuel cell, so see how that goes.
Yeah, you're good.
Good on the right?
Good on the right.
The fucking race car, my guy.
Woo. A little big, nothing crazy.
We'll make some boosty noises as we
enter Mexico.
as we accelerate. That's like quarter throttle.
Dude, sounds so good.
She just wants to rip, dude. Dude, I can't wait. I mean, that's only like baby boost. It's got 4 pounds to gate pressure. I mean, it's like, we're gonna put like 20 PSI through this bitch.
Give everything, give it all the beans.
Oh yeah, she's gonna fucking rip, dude.
Sounds crazy, bro. I hope the video picks it up. In person, dude.
It's kind of loud in here. It's not the loudest thing I've been in, though.
No, definitely not. It's on the quieter side, though, if you compare it to a lot of your other cars.
True.
Turbo definitely made this thing quieter.
Yeah. I feel like a BMW owner. I don't have turn signals. I mean, technically I will when I wire this up. These are turn signal, but they're not wired yet.
He said, 2-step? Yes.
Yeah.
Turning signals?
No. That can wait. You know, we'll wait until one of those like racing classes are like, you need working turn signals, and I'll be like, there you go.
They work.
We got lights.
We got low beam and high beams.
Low beam, high beam.
You're right. Dude, that sounded crazy inside.
It's gnarly.
Oh my god.
It like shakes everything.
Half one.
And we can try that one first. All right, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, you really need to show him this damn exit. This exit is gnarly.
We just about made it. There's
A little squirt in there.
there's not a ton of fuel, but she wasn't running weird yet. But we heard the fuel pump, so
Yeah, I was like, that noise doesn't sound too great. But
we're gonna top her off. Dude, after like 2 hours of traffic, I think it was like 25 minutes.
that was border control.
What?
That was border control.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
Mexico right there.
Yeah, it took a while to get through the board. Aw, man, there's cops here.
I don't think you can see them. Yeah, they can.
Cops for a street racer is 69.
All right,
Jonathan Harder.
That looks like a good amount of cars here. There's John, actually.
Oh, is the cop not keeping everyone up?
No, it looks like everyone's just chilling.
Where's John going? John's leaving.
There is the good old sheriff. Andrew's just that swole to turn the car.
Oh, yeah. Where's John going?
That's a good question. Let me call him. You want to park up, or do you want to follow John?
Where'd John go? Did Do you know, John?
No, he just left. The guy that put that, he just put it off.
Other than the welder, I'd give you what turbo you? Precision. 7675.
Holy shit.
This is
Like that?
That's
It's-
a 76, 75.
It's a 76.
76.
That's pushing 80s, you know?
Holy shit.
Little guy.
That's a 76.
This thing is more big than my car.
Damn, son, you can't go that low on tire pressure. It's not gonna hook.
He's a tank mechanic. He got it. Just kidding.
That's not good.
Whose car is this, bro?
We have a bunch of tires on it, just like that.
A bunch. A bunch? You mean 2?
I'm gonna go deaf for this one, guys. That shook my whole body. Dude, standing here versus standing right there, that shook my whole body. So when you hit that, bro, when you flame that dude's car,
He shouldn't have tried to cut us off.
bro, wow, no, dude, over there, wow, no, that felt like a gunshot. That was crazy, dude. Oh my god.
Rowdy.
Yeah. Rowdy is to say the least. Jesus. God damn, bro. That was crazy. Fuel stop number, lost count?
I mean, we almost made it to Radon's house. I am driving it a little bit like more, burning a little bit more fuel by shifting it more to breaking the clutch.
Oh yeah, dude, it's almost bone dry in there.
That's less than ideal. We may be,
There it is, I was on this side.
yeah, we may be putting a sump in this, or an additional tank in this thing at some point. But
You're gonna need to.
I mean, this was the only way to get the miles on it, man. But dude, she's doing great.
Great lighting here, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, the thing's looking like a freaking gem, dude. Over at the GM dealership. It's an SN95 Mishimoto too, by the way. The funny shit that I have laying around. Little pop-up, skeet skeet, bang bang.
Bang bang, skeet skeet.
Oh man. Hey, you're gonna need these back pretty soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna be making my way that way.
I cannot wait for Radon to be. Are you doing 93 first, or?
Yes.
I cannot wait. You just got like a tiny taste of it in this
Dude,
thing
and
tonight.
this- oh man. This past it's been 3 weeks? Drove Sean's car. Got to ride in OG, and then now this. Nah, bro. I need my stuff back now.
Oh yeah.
You'll be seeing me doing this. Well, not to this extent, but not the fuel cell, but maybe one day. Maybe one day if Andrew's the little devil on my side here. You know, I got the good angel.
This
on
is
here.
full fucking race car, my dude. This is
I don't
this
think
is
I'll
it.
get to this. But
Like, the only reason
I'll
we're
try.
driving this on the street is because this is motherfucking Florida, all right?
gotta love Florida, eh?
Yeah, this is a street car. We're pulled over at like 1 a.m. at a fucking Chevy dealership. Great lighting, fantastic. You guys killed it with the
I'm not gonna
lighting.
lie, the lighting here is fire.
Okay guys, we made it. 150 miles plus round trip, black GT500. It's an absolute beast. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down below. what you want to see with this beast, but I cannot wait to make a track pass with it. I think it's going to go 8 with ease. I got Vikings coming for it from Caltrack, and yeah, it's going to be crazy. This actually is my Caltrack fund right here. I sold a bunch of parts that I was stashing away. But anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next video.